Today we're talking about the IntelliBrake by C app. It's an app that's paired with the newly released ABS technology, and it comes with any trailer that has ABS on it from C. The cool thing about the IntelliBrake app, it lets you pair to your trailer to see live odometry. So pretty much before now, you never really knew how many miles were actually on your trailer. You can use that to log for service intervals, all kinds of things. Know how many miles the trailer has on it that you're buying. If you're buying a used C with ABS, it also gives you some functionality to turn on and off select features within the ABS system. And then also it gives you almost like an engine light tech warning or whatnot. So if there was an issue ever with the system, it alerts you to get it to a dealer so they can further diagnose the system, much like your vehicle has. So check out the ABS feature at diamondc.com. And if you buy a C with ABS, make sure to download the IntelliBrake app.